Eyes up and open, guys. Things are starting to get dicey already, and Donald Trump has not even been inaugurated yet. It's insane. We really have to keep our eyes open and our ear to the ground over these next 4 years, because they are going to try to slip some really shady stuff past us, like this. In North Carolina, a Democrat won a Supreme Court seat, state Supreme Court seat, by 800 votes. Her Republican opponent did not like that. So he demanded a recount, which is, within his rights. They did a hand recount and a machine recount. She still won after both recounts. So now they're going to court trying to throw out multiple legal votes.
And in particular, they have gone to court and asked for the invalidation of 60,000 ballots. Okay, these are lawful voters who did everything right, but who they want disenfranchised in order to win this election. And it is an absolute national disgrace. And if everyone out there is listening and saying, why haven't I heard about this? Ask yourself, why haven't you heard about this?
Right.
Why haven't you heard about an effort
corporate media
after an election?
Yeah. Corporate
for the
media.
state highest court in North Carolina, where the Republican candidate, who is a judge running for the highest court in the state and looking to disenfranchise tens of thousands of voters.
Yes.
On what grounds are they looking to disenfranchise 60,000 people?
It's more than 60,000.
Paperwork.
And it's several categories. So the biggest category are people who they say failed to, when they registered to vote, failed to include their driver's license or social security number. They are the first ones to acknowledge that this has been going on, that this interpretation of state law has been going on for years and years and years. And all of a sudden, out of the blue, this one judge, after the ballots have been cast, not before, after the ballots have been cast, after he lost, has decided that somehow, under his interpretation of state law, none of these people who have been registered to vote, none of these people who have been voted, by the way, none of these people who voted many instances for Donald Trump.
Right.
None of these people should have their ballots counted. They should be tossed out, not for Donald Trump's race. No. Not for the congressional races. No. Not for the state legislative races. No.
Only
just
this one race.
This election, where Allison Riggs has won a close election. And that's one category. Also, something you and I talked about before the election, he has revived this idea that somehow some overseas and military dependents of overseas and military voters, that they should have their ballots counted. They shouldn't be allowed to vote at all.
Really? Military spouses? You're going after military personnel and their spouses? You don't want them to vote anymore either? These people that, took an oath to defend the Constitution, these people that are outside the country, away from their families, serving our country and protecting us, you want to disenfranchise them? They have no shame. They have no integrity. They don't care anymore, and they're doing it right out in the open, and they really do not give a crap about what they look like, about what we think of them, because they've rigged the system so well that it doesn't even matter at this point, and they know it. Eyes open, guys. Eyes up. We have to keep an eye on this and hold them accountable, right? Because we know no one else will. Thanks so much for watching. Please do all the things like, subscribe, comment, share, follow me, if you're so inclined, so that you can help me grow this platform, and I can continue to try to inform and educate people as to what's going on with our leaders and our country, so that we can do everything that we can to try to hold our leaders accountable. The oligarchy is obviously in full swing. They're not even trying to hide it anymore. And, the only thing that we can do is to make sure that, they're not able to do any of this stuff in secret, that people know what's going on. That's the only avenue we have. We still have our First Amendment, for now. And so we have to utilize it, because it's really our strongest weapon.